Hello mga guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's video, actually, manunod po ako ng sine, yung Superman 2025 sa Empire, of course, Rashid Mall here in Al Khobar, Saudi Arabia. And of course, say hi Abud.
Hi.
Yes, actually, he will go to the mom, but me, I will go to my friend together, of course, na manood ng Superman for today. So let's see guys kung talagang maganda ang Superman 2025. So see you! So, ang ganda ng car for today's video, di ba? Amazing. Driverless. Charot lang. And of course, see, what is this about? Transmission, electronic, yes. Perfect, no? And also, ang mayaman, di ba? Pwede ka dyan mag-ano, Happy National Day. Tapos nandun yung ulo mo sa taas. Di ba? Amazing. Oh.
Perfect.
Oh, letter. Amazing. See? Di ba? Oh. What is the name of this car, Apod? Ha? M-Zone.
Not Amazon.
M-Zone. Di ba? Perfect. Talagang amazing. Oh. Hmm. Kasi nga pupuntang kami sa sa Rashid Mall. Nanonood kami ng Superman. Yes. Diba? Perfect pang mayaman. Oh. Close na natin. Diba? Perfect. Yes. Iba ka talaga abuat. You're so kind and good and generous. Amazing. This is Kubar. So let's see guys.
Anything, sir? What do you want to watch, sir?
Hello,
Superman?
Hello vlog. Kumabay hindi wala na.
Superman?
Yeah.
Daring na.
Superman Darna.
620? Lumiere?
Yes.
Okay. How many seat?
4. Sama mo si John.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Talagang artista ako.
Kaya nila. Nakali yung ticket.
Tiga-tiga.
Thank you, sir.
Salamat, sir. Diba, ganun lang ka ba Sabi mo sa Superman for today's video.
I just hope I will be enjoying this kind of movie and just
Tingin ka dito.
as
Tingin.
fun as I'm expecting.
Iba. Talagang iba. Talagang imbis na natin kaibigan. Dahil galing sa Ilongga Balay. No.
Grew up in Australia, actually.
Yeah.
I just came by here just to watch Superman.
Our friends in Australia.
Hello, good afternoon to all the Australians.
There, thank you for watching June's vlog, the Ecoterang vlog.
Diba? Kabisado. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Vince, for
Because
for
I'm
being
a fan.
one of my part. And
I'm a fan and
Yeah,
you
you're the
brought
part.
so much joy and fun and laughter to
you
all
are
of
the
us.
part of my journey. If I am success in life, you are the part of my journey.
Charot.
Tama. But that's all for today's video. See you. For today's video guys, nandito po tayo ngayon sa VIP of course, sponsored by Dan. Sa isa sa pinakamayamang nilalang dito sa Kubar. Of course. Diba? Talagang dami nang na-invite talaga dito. And of course, may kasama pa tayo. Isa sa pinakasikat din sa sa Kubar. Anong pangalan?
Jolie po.
Jolly. Saan sa sa Pilipinas?
Sa Mindanao.
Ayun. Nice meeting you, Julie. My name is June. Ang ikoterang vlog dito sa Kubar.
Yeah,
And-
pinakasikat na vlogger dito sa Kubar. He is the most popular vlogger here in Kubar. With, 5 million followers. Really, seriously.
Thank you so
He is the most followed vlogger here in Kubar.
And of
Oh my
course,
God.
kasama natin si Jenny, ang isa sa pinaka-the best.
Anong tawag dito?
Anong tawag dito, Day?
Yeah.
Complimentary.
Welcome.
Anong pangalan ng drinks again?
Strawberry juice and this is lemon mint blue.
Juice to?
Perfect. Amazing. Thank you, Jen. Oh, di ba? Day, bakit ang tahimik mo sa personal? Hindi ka naman ganyan sa TV.
Cheers.
Oo nga pala, cheers. Cheers para sa tagumpay at sa success ng buhay. Diba? So that's all for today's video. Bye!
Everyone, nandito po kami ngayon sa Rashid Mall sa Empire Premiere. So, manunood nga kami ngayon ng Cine with June with other friends. Okay ka lang? Maglalad ka lang. So, ngayon, tingnan mo si June. Oh, diba? May palakad, may pa-walking, ano pa? May po sa walking. So, John, gusto mo bang ipakilala kung ano meron sa lugar? Okay. Nandito pala yung
Okay. Wow! Thank you! Hindi, ginawa lang ako nila nung tauhan na. Ay! Hindi. Sige. Welcome! Welcome! Enjoy your movie!
Mabalik din ako, Day.
A few moments later.
So for today's video, actually, we have here for a good friend also. I meet her also in the Empire. So actually, I just want only one question only. What's your reaction about Superman?
Oh, it's exciting. Yeah, very exciting. But you know what's more exciting
Yeah,
than
the more-
Superman?
yeah.
You are
Oh,
exciting.
thank you so much. It's
You're
operation.
so awesome.
Yeah, thank
really.
you so much. Yeah.
Love the shirt.
Really? This
Yeah.
is all about friends. That's
So
why.
you're the Superman here.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, it's all about him.
Really?
Right here.
Thank you, Thank you so much, sir. Yeah, thank you. That's all, yeah. So yun guys, kukunin natin ang reaction ni Vince about Superman. So ano masasabi mo about Superman na nag-enjoy ka ba?
about naman sa movie na pinanood ko, hindi naman ako nagsisi kasi the whole movie was like very exciting and it's really amazing. It was like indeed worth it panoorin. Kaya kayo mga kaikoterang vlog dyan na nag-aabang, come and join and manood na kayo ng Superman. Hindi kayo magsisisi and may value siya sa inyong pera kasi it's really a perfect movie to watch. Walang dull moment actually. Of course, ilang beses ko sinabi.
Actually, worth it talaga, di ba? Worth it. So kaya, mag-invite ka na sa mga taong manonood ngayon.
It's a 10 out of 10 kaya mga kapamilya, mga kapatid, mga kapuso, let's go na, manood na kayo now na, hindi bukas, now na.
Ng Superman.
Ng Superman for sure.
Yeah, diba? Sa tingin mo, may ano pa yon? May part 2? Kasi lumabas si Supergirl eh.
I don't think so. We will see. Maybe.
Diba? Anong masasabi mo sa Superman 2025? Nag-enjoy ka ba?
It's really worth watching. The whole movie was really exciting and it's really quite a movie to recommend sa mga friends ninyo. Wala siyang dull moment up to the end and you know what? Manood na po kayo ng Superman, hindi kayo magsisisi and so, it has really a value for your money.
Yes. So worth it talaga ang 120 reals. Diba? Diba, Dad?
Yes, alam mo yan. Dapat alam mo yan. 480 lang kayo dyan.
Ay, mga kababayan.
Hindi basta-basta.
Di ba tumasta? Talaga
Lahat
iba
dito talaga yun.
Akin sponsor talaga, di ba? So ano masasabi
Worth it to watch.
Eh, syempre, halina kayo. Manood na kayo dito.
Sponsored by
Dan, of course, and talagang nabusog ako sa hotdog, napakalaki, no?
At saka sa popcorn, hindi mo na ubus
Hindi nabusog dito pa.
At hindi ko in-expect na may sinerve sa akin popcorn, binawi sa akin. It's chismis.
Hindi mo na ubus.
Hindi mo naubos, di ba? Hindi. Diba? So, ayun guys, thank you, Dan, and thank you to all my friends over there. Talagang nag-enjoy kami sa pag-watch ng Superman. So,
Thank you for the VIP.
Thank you for the VIP, yes.
Thank you, Empire.
Thank you, Empire, for the sponsors. That's all for today's video. Bye-bye.
That's all for today for this video. Bye. See you